When it comes to keeping heavy-duty diesel engines operating efficiently, one component is absolutely critical: the fuel injection pump. It might not be as visible as the engine itself, but it's responsible for making sure fuel is delivered at the correct pressure and precise timing to the combustion chambers. Without it, performance drops, fuel consumption increases, and engine reliability suffers. The focus today is on the refurbished fuel injection pump with part number 2644P501, also identified by 0470006003 and 216-9824. This unit is compatible with several widely used engines, including the Caterpillar 3056E, Perkins 1106C, and 1106C E60 TA. These engines are commonly found in construction, agriculture, and industrial machinery. For anyone operating these engines, a dependable fuel injection pump is essential for maintaining optimal power and performance. Refurbished pumps like this one provide a cost-effective alternative to brand new parts. A proper refurbishment process is far more than a simple cleaning. It involves complete disassembly, inspection of internal components, ultrasonic cleaning, replacement of worn-out parts such as seals, valves, and critical mechanical elements, followed by recalibration to factory specifications. The result is a pump that performs like new but at a significantly lower cost. The importance of this component cannot be overstated. The fuel injection pump manages both fuel pressure and timing, which directly affects engine efficiency. Incorrect timing or pressure can lead to reduced performance, higher fuel consumption, increased smoke, and in some cases, engine damage. When the pump operates correctly, the engine starts reliably, runs smoothly, and delivers optimal power for demanding workloads. These engines are designed to handle tough environments and long hours of operation. Caterpillar and Perkins machines are often used in dusty fields, construction sites, and industrial environments. A fuel injection pump must be able to endure these conditions without failing. Refurbished units undergo thorough testing for flow rate, pressure consistency, and mechanical durability to ensure they can handle these challenges reliably. Economically, refurbished pumps provide tremendous value. New OEM pumps can cost thousands of dollars, making fleet maintenance and repair costly. Refurbished pumps offer nearly identical performance at a fraction of the price, reducing operational costs without compromising reliability. For businesses that rely on continuous engine operation, having access to high-quality refurbished parts can prevent costly downtime and lost productivity. Compatibility is crucial when selecting a fuel injection pump. The 2644P501 model is designed for Caterpillar 3056C engines, Perkins 1106C engines, and the 1106C E60 TA variant. Confirming the engine model and part number is essential before purchasing to ensure proper fit and function. When installed correctly, these pumps provide consistent fuel delivery, smoother starts, and improved engine efficiency. Performance improvements are noticeable over time. Engines equipped with a properly functioning pump start more easily, operate smoothly under load, and deliver consistent power. Fuel is burned efficiently, resulting in reduced waste and fewer emissions. While it may not be immediately obvious if the existing pump is partially functional, replacing or upgrading with a refurbished pump improves reliability and reduces the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns. From an environmental perspective, refurbished pumps are also a sustainable choice. Extending the life of an existing component reduces waste and the energy required to manufacture a new one. In industries where sustainability and environmental impact are increasingly important, choosing refurbished parts supports both performance and responsible resource management. Installation should be carried out by someone experienced with diesel engines. Fuel systems require precision, and even small errors can result in performance issues or damage.